So this is the time to shine. This is Styrax obassia, the Fragrant Snowbell. It's got his more well-known cousin Styrax japonica, just a fairly different flower. So as you can see, the flowers on this are a white, sort of a panicle maybe that hangs down. Tree will get up to about 25 to 30 feet with a spread of about 15 to 20 feet. And you can see it's relatively narrow. Flowers are fragrant. Fall color sort of nondescript. Pretty bulletproof tree. And the flowers are very unique. I guess the only comment I would make is that the flowers are hidden a bit by the foliage. And you can say the same to a certain extent on Styrax japonica, where the flowers hang down beneath the leaf, but they're a little bit more visible. So Fragrant Snowbell, 25 feet tall by about 15 to 20 feet wide. Very few problems. It is said, although I have not seen this, that the bark starts to exfoliate as the plant matures and reveals an orangish color. Don't know if that's the case. I haven't seen it. So anyway, you use a small ornamental tree. This is a real good one. Not used enough, and very, very few problems. Rubbing maybe from deer, but that's about it. Fragrant Snowbell.